So how to transfer a file Samsung to Samsung by using cable. I'm using Samsung or Android phone. So insert your type C cable for both of device. So once you insert, then you can see this kind of pop-up. If you already see, then just press on gallery, and if you don't see, then open your control menu. Then you can see certain connection. Just press and hold this option and select USB control by connect device or this device. So from where you want to transfer, if you want to transfer from this one to this one, then press on this device, and if you want to transfer this device to this device, then it's okay. Suppose I want to transfer this device to this device, then once you press on this device, then press on gallery just once. Now you have to allow it. Now again go to gallery, then you can see the three dotted line. Press on three dotted line, then MTB device. Now here is the device. You see all image, same image is available here. If you want to send it, just select and press on import, then it will be import to your phone. Let's try with another one. Now go back to your image gallery, then you can see my file is imported. Now suppose you want to transfer your video file as well, video file, then just go your device again, connect and this device, and then you can see the MTP host. Select MTP host, press on just once, press on allow, MTP host just once. Now if you go to your then camera, then you can see video also available here. If you want to transfer it, just press and hold, then select, press on three dotted line, press on copy. Now where you want to copy, suppose you want to copy the download section, then your video is coming here. So that's it. This is how you can easily transfer file, video or photos from one device to another by using data cable. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.